Most people compare Blackout Bingo and Mistplay the wrong way. They ask, which app makes more money? But here's the truth, no one tells you. These apps are designed for completely different types of users, and choosing the wrong one can leave you frustrated no matter how good the rewards look. In this video, I'll compare Blackout Bingo and Mistplay in 26, explain how each app works, who they're best for, and help you decide which one is the better choice for your goals. Let's get straight into it. The biggest difference is how you earn rewards. Mistplay is a rewards platform that gives users points for playing and discovering mobile games. As you spend time in eligible games and complete milestones, you earn points that can typically be exchanged for rewards such as gift cards. Blackout Bingo works differently. It's a skill-based competitive game where players compete in bingo-style matches. In eligible regions, some competitions may offer cash prize opportunities, depending on local laws and platform rules. This is where most people fail. They compare the apps as if they're identical. They're not. Mistplay is focused on rewarding game discovery and playtime. Blackout Bingo is focused on competitive gameplay and player performance. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Your personality often determines which app feels better. For example, Jake enjoys trying lots of different mobile games without pressure. He likes earning rewards gradually while exploring new titles. Mistplay is probably a better fit for him. Alex enjoys competition. He likes improving his skills, climbing leaderboards, and testing himself against other players. Blackout Bingo may be more appealing to him. Neither choice is automatically better. It depends on how you like to play. But here's the problem. Many users download either app expecting guaranteed income. That's usually the wrong mindset. Both platforms should be viewed primarily as entertainment. Rewards and potential earnings can be a bonus. But neither app should be treated as a reliable source of income. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose between them. Before that, let's talk about risk. Mistplay generally rewards participation and engagement. Blackout Bingo may involve competitive outcomes where results depend heavily on player skill and performance. That's an important difference many users overlook. Now here's the easiest way to decide. Ask yourself one question. Do you enjoy discovering and playing a variety of mobile games? Or do you prefer competitive skill-based gaming? If you prefer variety, Mistplay may be the better option. If you enjoy competition, Blackout Bingo may be worth considering. Let's recap. Mistplay rewards gameplay and game discovery. Blackout Bingo focuses on competitive skill-based matches. Neither guarantees earnings. The best app depends on your preferences, goals, and gaming style. Now you're equipped to make a smarter choice in 2026. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app reviews and earning platform comparisons, and tell me in the comments which app you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.